M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Thought I'd have a go at switching profiles on the Openspot 3. So normally we're in status mode, and the fastest way to change, I would say, is just to go quick setup and then run it through and then go wherever you want to go. So this is showing you the profiles. So go to settings. There's another video which I will link to this that will show you how to set up your profile numbers in your Icom 705, and a similar setup with other DR radios. So you're in settings, and now look here at the top. It says that we're in active profile slot 2, which I have named and programmed. So how did I do that? Well, scroll down to profile names, and there's 5 showing here. I've put these names in. So this one's called, on profile 2, it's called D star to reflect the 30. Now you can put what you like, but because we're on a D star radio, we want the first radio to be D star. So D star to talk group 91. So if I say I want profile 4 to be D star to reflector 1, you get the idea. D star to reflector 10 here. So the idea is that you can use these profile numbers, and you can even, when you add them in your radio, you can even edit the, because I've called them profile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in your radio, you can give them a name. You could say, give them a name D star to talk group 91 in the actual radio if you wanted to. So we're in profile number 2, and we can change it very easily just by selecting this section here, select profile 3, and then change. Okay, and we'll watch it do that. Right, it's done that straight away, and you probably didn't hear it, but
Openspot connected to brand Meister 5051 link static talk group 3100.
okay. And you can see there's some activity there. But what you can do, you can actually move using the radio and profile numbers which you program into your UR call sign. So I'll just show you how to get to UR call sign. You tap profile. Let's turn it down. Tap your call sign. And in this section here, you just hold your finger on one of these. And you can click add or edit. So we'll go add, and we'll name it. Just call it P1 for now. Profile 1. Enter. This is the important bit, the call sign. So you need 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure we get it right. If it's wrong, it won't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll put the word, the number 5 in. Enter. And then we can write that. Right, so that's it. And then what you do, go back to your DR thing. And so you can see we're on profile 2 now. Now it's hard to change when people are talking. So what I'm going to do is get us back to profile that's quiet. So click settings. Go to profile here at the top, and let's move us. We're on, it says here active profile. Look at the black right, the darker right in number 3. We'll change that back to number 2. You can hear the radio talking when it does it. Bit of a delay. Go back to settings. We're in profile number 1. So let's get us on number 2, because it has to be you have to be on a, if you want to change it on the radio, you have to be on a D star. If you're using a D star radio,
profile 2 ready.
If you're on a D star radio and you want to change it on the radio, say you're sat on your sofa and you want to change around.
Openspot connected to REF 030 Charlie. Charlie.
If you want to change around your profiles, you need to be on a D-Star radio to change it around if the Openspot is on D-Star. So we're going to have a go at do it using the radio now. So what we're going to do, I'll just show you. We're going to move it from profile number 2, where we are at the moment. Look, it says it here, profile 2. And we're going to move it to profile 3. So if I'm successful, it will say profile 3, and it will say connected to talk group 91 or whatever the reflector number is for that. So look at the radio, and we're going to tap the top. We're going to go to my your call sign where I've saved the profile numbers. We'll go to number 3, tap that. Now, just to say that you can move it away from a D-Star radio, so you could be on a D-Star radio, key the mic, choose profile 4, which might be DMR to DMR, but then you will have to use that a DMR radio. Once it's switched, you have to use a DMR radio to change it. So let's key the mic and have a listen to it change over and look at the Openspot screen as well.
Openspot, profile 3, ready.
So you heard that, and then it will switch.
Openspot, connected to brand Viper 5051. Link, static, talk group 3100.
That's it. So we go to status. There you go. Get some activity now on talk group 91. We scroll down. You've got the information here of where you are. You do need to get in your self-care passwords if they're needed when you set these up. So if I go to settings, you can hear it's connected now, but if I go to settings, we're on active profile 3 D-Star to talk group 91. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to change any of these, let's just say profile 4 is, at the moment it says fusion to talk group. Now, if I change that to D-Star to, let's go America, CQUK. Now, I've put the title in, but that doesn't change the settings. So what we do, we need to put it into profile 4. So go here, select here, select profile 4. And then click change.
Openspot, profile 4, ready.
So we're in profile 4.
Openspot, connected to REF030 Charlie.
I'll just show you we're in profile 4. So 4, at the moment it's fusion to talk group 1. Now if I want to change it now we're in profile 4, click quick setup here. And let's say we want to keep it on D-Star. And then we want it to go from D-Star to America Link. So find there it is there, YSF. Put in what you want to go to. Doesn't really, let's just choose that one, America RV. Click connect.
Openspot, connected to YSF reflector 8910.
And we'll go settings. As you scroll down, and profile 4, which is now what it's called, fusion to talk group 91, but that's not what we put it in. So you've got to change the name. It was D-Star to America. Save that. So changing the name just tells you what it's doing, but it's going into quick setup that tells you, that basically tells the Openspot what it is actually going to do. D-Star to America Link, which is where we are now. And then it will just one more try. If we go profile 3, your call sign, choose a different profile. So let's go to profile to key the mic. We'll do this for the last time. Should hear the radio change.
Openspot. Profile 2. Ready.
See that? And it's changed to profile 2. So that's basically...
Openspot. Connected to REF030 Charlie.
There you are. And that's how this is what I've learnt about the Openspot on profiles. So yeah, if you like this video, if it helps, please subscribe. 7.3, all the best.